summer, summer. Winter, winter. I love swimming in the summer, but in winter, I enjoy skiing in the mountains. Spring, spring. Autumn, autumn. In spring, flowers bloom and trees turn green, while autumn brings falling leaves and cooler weather. Day, day. Night, night. We play outside during the day, but we sleep at night. Sunrise, sunrise. Sunset, sunset. We wake up early to watch the sunrise, and in the evening we enjoy the beautiful colors of the sunset. Hot, hot. Cold, cold. Ice cream is perfect on hot summer days, but hot chocolate warms us up in the cold winter. Sunny, sunny. Cloudy, cloudy. We plan picnics on sunny days, but sometimes the sky is cloudy, so we stay indoors. Rainy, rainy. Dry, dry. We need an umbrella on rainy days, but the desert is dry with very little rain. Windy, windy. Calm, calm. Kites fly well when it's windy, but the air is calm on a quiet evening. Thunderstorm, thunderstorm. Clear sky, clear sky. During a thunderstorm, there is lightning and heavy rain, but after it passes, we can see a clear sky with stars. Hail, hail. Sleet, sleet. Hail is frozen balls of ice that can fall during a storm, while sleet is a mix of rain and snow. Breeze, breeze. Gale, gale. A gentle breeze is pleasant on a warm day, but a gale is a strong wind that can be powerful and sometimes damaging. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye.